You know what I'm saying? Let's say something real. Namaste, my dear students. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Ah, we've all heard it. Many of us say it. Sometimes it's just a little habit. Other times it's because we are not quite sure if we've said anything real at all. Like spinning a prayer wheel that never stops turning but never truly delivers the prayer. And then come the platitudes. Everything happens for a reason. It is what it is. Age is just a number. Words meant to comfort, but often they float above our real feelings like steam rising from a teacup. Nice, but not very nourishing. You see, my dear students, these phrases are like wrapping paper with nothing inside. They sound wise, but they can leave us feeling dismissed. Empty. Especially in this twilight zone of aging, the strange new world we are all navigating together. Where we live longer, but often lonelier. Where we are told to stay positive instead of being allowed to speak the truth of our experience. But I ask you, what if we stopped filling silence with fluff and started filling it with honesty? What if, instead of "time heals all wounds," we said, "your pain is real and I'm here to walk with you"? Instead of "you're only as old as you feel," we said, "you've lived a life full of meaning and that matters more than youth." Real words. Spoken from the soul. Because we are not here to impress, we are here to connect. And connection cannot live on clichés. So next time you feel that old phrase bubbling up, you know what I mean. Pause. Breathe. And try this instead. Let me tell you what I really mean. That's where the wisdom is. That's where you are. And yes, before I forget, as we always say, if this message touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe. It truly helps us grow this message of ancient wisdom and modern wellness. And my dear ones, something special is coming soon. Our new book, The Twilight Zone of Aging, a guide for those of us walking the path of vibrant aging with open eyes and strong hearts. Until then, be gentle with yourself, speak from the heart, and remember, your words are seeds. Plant them with care. Namaste. If this message spoke to you, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe.